Hi, in this video we're going to factorise the difference of two squares where we have bracketed expressions as each of the squared things. Now what you could do is you could just expand this out and then do the subtraction, and you're going to get quite a complicated expression which you could factorise. But there is a slightly easier way of doing it, which is to not expand at all and just factorise directly. Because look, you have a difference here, a subtraction of two squared things, right? And remember how we factorise the difference of two squares. If we have a squared minus b squared, we're going to get two brackets, a plus b times by another bracket of a minus b. So that's the difference of two squares. But can you see that we could just make the a here, this a here, this whole thing here, because we've got a squared, we've got 11x plus 5y squared. So we make the a the 11x plus 5y, and we're going to make the b this whole bracket of 10x plus y here. So that's going to enable us to be able to factorise this. So let's just copy it out. 11x plus 5y squared minus 10x plus y squared. That's going to factorise with two brackets. You can see that we factorise with two brackets with a plus in the middle of one of them, minus in the middle of the other. So we're going to get plus in the middle of this, minus in the middle of the other. And then as we said, we're making the 11x plus 5y, that's going to be the a. So we make that the first thing of each bracket. Just as we made it the a the first thing of each bracket here. And then the b, we made the 10x plus y. So that's the second thing in each bracket. So let's do that. We're going to have the 10x plus y here. Now you have to be careful in the other one, because if I just wrote 10x plus y here like that, it's actually wrong because you want to subtract all of 10x plus y. So you actually need a bracket around that because you're subtracting all of 10x plus y. And in general, if you're ever subtracting any expression with multiple terms, you must put it in brackets. Okay, right, we're nearly there. We can now just simplify each of these two big brackets. So let's simplify the first bracket by collecting like terms. We've got 11 lots of x plus 10 lots of x. That's 21 lots of x. And then we can see we've got 5 lots of y plus a lot of y, which is 6 lots of y. And then the second bracket, we've got 11 lots of x minus 10 lots of x, which is just 1 lot of x. And then we've also got 5 lots of y minus a lot of y. That's why we need the brackets. We're doing 5y minus a lot of y, which is plus 4y here. Now, the final thing you should do is to check if either of those brackets has any common terms. X plus 4y, you can't do anything there. You can't factorise anything out. But both 21x and 6y in this first bracket have a common factor of 3. So you could actually factor out 3 out this first bracket. And then 3 times what is 21x? It's 7x. And 3 times what is 6y? It's plus 2y. And we've got that second bracket just minding its own business. And that's the best you can do. You can't factorise that any further. So that is the final answer.